I'm Polly Bath, and I travel throughout the country helping schools to manage and change difficult behavior that interrupts instruction. Today, I'm going to answer one of your questions. We've been improving our strategies, such as our in-school intervention program, but some staff are not sticking to the new strategies. Have you ever seen this in other schools? How do we address this inconsistency? It's a good one. We are shifting to things more like logical consequences, restorative practices, which is all behind in-school intervention. In-school intervention is kind of like the old in-school suspension program, but with a lot more intervention attached to it. And we have people on board that are struggling going from the, kind of punishment model, the way they were schooled. And I'm going to use that word schooled because we were all schooled. And what we bring to the table as teachers is the way we were schooled. And if that worked for us because our backgrounds were such that we were more skilled and learned from those punishments, then we don't understand why other people don't learn from those punishments. So we have a hard time shifting to restorative, logical consequences to teach kids skills because we just don't understand it and it's uncomfortable. People in general have a very difficult time letting go. I call it, go out in the backyard. I say to staff a lot of the times, I say, guys, get a shovel, go in the backyard, bury the way it used to be. School has remained the same for many, many years, and the input has changed. So we have to change with it. So we've got to stop making assumptions that the old way is going to work with the input that's in front of us now. So shift with that and move forward and give it a try. You've got to be vulnerable enough to give it a try and seek out your colleagues for help with this. You got to have a strong culture to make sure you feel comfortable with it because it's a change. And that's what you're dealing with. So it's not so much of an unwillingness as more of an unskilled and an unwillingness because it's just different. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, watch these videos, and if you've got questions for future videos, include those in the comments below.